In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable audio transcription in Zoom. So why would we want to do this? Well, enabling audio transcription in Zoom will ultimately allow for your recordings in Zoom to have closed captioning. So once you've enabled this setting, any further recordings that you do in Zoom will have an audio transcript that is created along with the recording, and then your video recordings will have the option of having closed captioning turned on by whoever's watching them. In particular, a second reason that we'd want to do this is because having closed captioning on our recordings allows us to be ADA compliant. So, just a warning, one thing you want to note is that due to ADA compliance issues, anytime that you are recording a Zoom meeting, you need to have the audio transcript option enabled so that your video will be closed captioned. It is a requirement that all video resources that we provide our students have closed captioning. So, this is an ADA compliance issue. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do this. So we have this window open, this Chrome window open, and we're going to go to zoom.us, the web portal. You will sign in. You will sign in with your Jessup credentials. So if you have your own personal account, you don't want to sign in with that. You want to go down to this option down here that says sign in with Google. You want to click that. And then you can enter your Jessup credentials and then enter your password. Oh, in this case, sorry, I have two-factor authentication enabled, so I need to verify that it is in fact me signing in. Okay, now we're in. So to enable audio transcription, we go to Recordings on the left menu, and then in the upper right, we click on the Settings button, and we'll open a new window. And the audio transcript option is right down here, and so we just tick that. We click Save, and now audio transcripts are enabled. And that's it. Any further recordings that we do, that we initiate in Zoom, will have an audio transcript produced alongside them. And when we share those video recordings later on through Moodle or via link, they will have the option of having closed captioning. Thank you for joining me today. Bye.